Hello friends, welcome to Java IO tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use PrintWriter to write formatted output into an output stream. Here we are going to use a text file, and through output stream we will write a formatted output to the flat file. So the example deals with the PrintWriter object. Printf function, we know that the printf stands for formatted, and then after using PrintWriter we will close it. So the example contains text field to denote a file name. Say for example, see temp abc.txt. So you will provide a file name, then here you will enter person name, age. After that you will specify a country. After that you will click on write to file, and we will pick this information and we will use a printf to write a formatted string, and then we will write that content to the flat file. Whatever you specify here, there we will write the content. So you may use system.out many times to write a formatted output to the console window. The same way, one can use the PrintWriter object to output the formatted information, just like how you write formatted information to the console window. In this example, as already told, we use a PrintWriter object and we use a printf function to write the formatted output to a flat file, that means a text file. So here you can see the form and its control names. Here I will just mark this is the text file, and you can see txt file name. Then we have person name, and you can see that here txt person name, then age, txt age, then txt country. Finally, we have a write file button, and that is named as btn write. So if you see, this is a btn write, and here we are handling the button click event using our NetBeans IDE, which takes action event. First, if you see, we have a PrintWriter object and we set that as null, and we open a try and catch block. Since we are going to deal with the file name, we handle file not found exception. The very first thing what we do, we create a file instance by feeding in the information here. One, text file name, get text, that means that we create a file object for the file which we specify on the specific control. Next, we create file writer, and we pass in the information EA here, and we pass it here. So after this, we write a formatted information, and if you see from out object, just like how you use a system.out, the same way here you are using a PrintWriter out. This is the printf call, and here you can see the person, percentages, aged, percentages, lives in /n next line, lives /n in percentages. So all this information we are feeding it from our control here. So first we pass 2, then 3 here, and we feed information 4 here, and those will get substituted on the corresponding placeholder. Alright, after writing this formatted input, we close our PrintWriter, that means the writer stream. So in your text file, in the text file you will see the person, whatever you type, aged, the person, that's 2 here, 3 and 4. So all this stuff gets substituted. Now we will go to NetBeans IDE and we will design this form. It's a demo time. So here is our NetBeans IDE. Now we will create a new frame. And we will name it as PrintWriter example. Next we need 4 labels: first name, person name, age, file name, person name, age, country. Then we have a button here, and before that we will place all the text field. This is to take file name, so when I'm moving, I'm using that vertical line to align it. Next we need a button, and we will place that here. Not toggle button, normal button. Next we will go with the edit text and we will clear the content. Next if you see, the first one is txt file name, txt person name, txt age, txt country. So this is the variable name associated to the JText field. You can notice here as well, txt file name. Txt person name, txt age, and txt country. Next we will name our button as btn write. So we'll just run this once. Before that we will build our project. Okay, so we will show the output here. We'll build again. We'll just run to see how it looks. Alright, now we have to handle the event action performed. Here we will write the code for action. So as already explained in the slide, okay, now we will include the required imports. So PrintWriter is from Java IO package. Next file also from the same package. So that's all. Now we can run this, and so to run this, I'm just clicking on the name. This is our JFrame name, then choosing run file. So here I'm choosing write to file now, and we can see how the file is having the formatted output. So the person John Smith is what we entered, and the age we entered, and country is coming in a new line. And you can see that clearly. The printf function, we used it, right? The person, %s, then we are taking the person name, then age, after that country. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.